What's up, YouTube? We back at it with another video. Today we finna be taking out the carbon traps and putting on some new Steeda intake. Not Steeda intakes. We finna put in the Steeda air filter. Gonna take out these stock ones right here. So let's go ahead and look at them. Oh, I got it. All right, that's how you get it off. All right, here go the air filters right here. They kind of dirty, as you can see. Dang, it's like road debris in there. But yeah, we really don't even need that many parts today. We got these sockets, 8mm, and what's the other one? 10mm. But yeah, here go the other one. Like I was saying, this should be an easy job, but like, I'm finna take this off. I just gotta unscrew that and take this off right here, and we're gonna take these two off, and then yeah, clear it out. We're finna start by taking this off.
Boy, you're shaking like a stripper. Tighten up.
We got the first filter off. Now all we gotta do is get off the second one. All right, I don't know if I should go ahead and take off this one or take this off, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this off first. Yep. You really, all you need is like a screwdriver for this. You don't even need the like sockets, to be honest. All right, I'm gonna get back when they come off. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take out this last one. Okay, got that out. All right, now we just gotta get the intakes out. So let's make sure it's this one. Okay, it's this one. All right, get on. All right. All right, the next step, we're finna take out the sensor. So yeah. All right, we're finna take this out. I had to pause for a minute and check back. Took out the mass airflow sensor, and I'm about to take this one off right now. We took this off, what else we took off? I'm loosening this now, and I gotta take this off, but yeah. All right, so got the needle nose pliers, finna take out the carbon trap. All right, I started taking it out with the pliers. I'm going in like a spiral direction to get it out. I gotta watch out for this sensor. All right, it's gonna be this little white thing coming out, and gotta get this. We almost done. All right, I got the first one installed. We took out the carbon trap, and this is what's inside. You gotta take it out, and I should get horsepower, but yeah, got one more to do. Then we're gonna test it out. All right, I got this last bolt to tighten up, and we're going on to the next one. All right, I don't think that's going nowhere. All right, got everything. Plug this back in. Get the map sensor plugged up. All right, done with this one. Oh yeah, make sure y'all tune in for that. For the cold start. All right, time for this one. I still gotta take out the carbon trap in this one, but yeah. I'm gonna show y'all what that look like afterwards. But yeah.
Perfect.
All right, YouTube, we got the 2 carbon traps out. This is pretty much what it is. It's like plastic holding a like charcoal piece. But yeah, we got that out and we finna put in the last filter and then we're gonna be done. I'll rate this job difficulty probably like a 5 out of 10. Like if you really just need help, I'll watch a video. I was thinking about doing a tutorial, but I don't know that much about it to show other people how to do it, because like I just really did it myself on a whim. And yeah, sure y'all tune in, hit that like button, sub up, and yeah, we're finna get it the rest of it done. Let me know anything y'all want me to do to the car further on, because like, you know, it's upgrades coming along, and the Whipple, I might be getting it sometime this year. Y'all stay tuned in, because like that's gonna be the biggest upgrade that I will do. And of course, I'm not gonna be doing it myself. As y'all can see in the time lapse I did, I was struggling. This is my first time really working on my car myself, and yeah, thing is good. And yeah, so I'm finna tune y'all back in when I get it put in.
Perfect.
All right, YouTube, I'm finna get in the car and get these going. I'm probably gonna keep these too, just in case I decide to put them back on when these get dirty, because I got the oil cleaning kit for it, and whenever it get dirty, I'm gonna just swap them out, probably like 5,000 miles. But other than that, we pretty much done. Finna see what it sound like and probably do a POV drive for it. All right, finna get this cold start going. So what we finna do is I'm gonna put the camera in front of the dang, it's loud, but I'm gonna put the camera in front of the intakes and we finna just let it see what's the difference. I should have did it before and after, but yeah, we finna just get it, see what it sound like. So yeah. All right, YouTube, I got the chest mount on. Like, I forgot to tell y'all I just ordered this, but yeah, we got this on for today. And I think I feel like a little bit more power, I ain't gonna lie. We finna put it in track mode. Oh yeah, it's way faster. Gonna get this little pull right quick. And with the chest mount, I could really just drive with 2 hands, so I got better control of the car. But let me know in the comments if it's a little like shaky. But yeah, if you saw in the clip before, the intakes, I mean, not the intakes, but the air filters, they sound so good. Like, it sound like almost like a Hellcat one, but like, it's like the air coming in, you can hear it. It's like a shh sound. But yeah, and my fault for like not really posting, but I'm trying to get better with getting a video out at least once a month. Cause like the last video, it was about to be New Year's, so I count that as that video being in January. But yeah. For future videos, let me know if y'all want to use like the head cam or like this one, because I feel like I like this one a little bit better, because like it's like not as on me as much. But yeah, I'm gonna get like a 30 roll. My tires are a little bald, but in the next video I should be getting my tires installed. So I'm getting some Nito NTO5s. Let me know how y'all think about those. But they a performance tire. I'm only getting it for like the back though. I'm not gonna get it for the front, cause like my front tires they straight so far, cause I'll be wheel spinning it on my back tires. But yeah, so far I'll say this upgrade is pretty good. I can't really feel it, but I don't know if it's like an effect. I could hear. I just know it sounds better for sure. I took out the carbon traps, put on it air intakes, air filters. I don't know why I keep saying intake. I guess it's like me wanting an air intake. But yeah, we finna do this 30 roll after this. Oh yeah. Get this 30 roll going. Yeah, driving is way better with this chest mount. But like with this right here, I gotta worry about like switching gears and all that. So I got way more control over the car. Oh yeah, if y'all wondering, I got this chest mount off a TikTok shop. I bought it. The funny thing is, I bought it right before TikTok was about to like go down. I was like, dang, I hope my stuff come. I hope it come. But then it started sending, and then it sent like 2 weeks after. So yeah, can't complain. It's pretty good for how much it costs. It was $15 for the chest mount and the head mount. Alright, if the road empty up here, I'm gonna do the 0 to 60 right quick. Try to shift this up a little bit. I bet with the head mount, you probably could see a little bit more. But yeah, I'm gonna do the 0. Yeah, I'm gonna do the 0 to 60. All right, let's go. I gotta get them tires ASAP. I just spent like for like 2 seconds right there. Well, I'm gonna turn y'all off right quick. I'm gonna put on the head mount, see how that looks. Alright, I got the head mount on right now, and yeah. But let me know in the comments which view y'all like better, cause like I won't know what y'all like unless you say. And make sure to hit that like button and comment.
Ain't it, y'all?
Listen, man.
I almost forgot to tell y'all, here go the mounts I got from TikTok shop. Here go the like head cam. Put this on my head. And right here, this is the chest mount. It was only like $15. I'm gonna put a screenshot in the video. But yeah, that's it for the video and the vlog. I got this from Walmart though. This been pretty helpful so far. And yeah, so thanks for watching, everybody. All right, YouTube, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And sub, like, share. And the car, it sounds pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. I'm just for the outro, I'm gonna let y'all hear it. But yeah, that's it for the video. The carbon trap delete and the Steeda intake install. I hope y'all enjoyed. See ya.